Hi everyone, welcome back to ARMCANDY. We have got the most incredible Chanel to show you today. So this is a Chanel Trendy. It is in this gorgeous lambskin leather, which is super soft, and you can see it's really nice and glossy as well. And it is the perfect red. This is a really gorgeous color. We have got one top handle, and then we also have one long strap as well, which is in that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited strap look. And then we've got a nice little leather shoulder section as well. On the back, we've got one exterior flat pocket, and you can see all that quilting just lines up so perfectly. We've got Chanel engraved into the top on that little plaque on the top there, and we have a flap closure with a CC turn lock fasten. Inside, we've got that CC stitch logo straight away on that flap closure, and then we've got 3 compartments. So we've got one compartment at the back, which has a little zipped pocket in there. So I'll just show you that zip still works really nicely. And then we've got one central section and one front section, which has got 2 flat pockets here. And then you've got a slim little kind of lipstick pocket in the middle as well. And then the date code, you can see it's on a little sticker in the bottom corner. The date code begins 29, so it's from 2019. So relatively new, and it is in a really beautiful condition. We've called the exterior very good, and it is literally just a tiny little mark on the bottom there, and that is it. That is the only wear we can see for the exterior, just a really tiny little mark. You can see that the rest of it is beautiful. The shape is gorgeous. It's a nice little compact kind of square shape, and all that leather is just perfect. Really gorgeous condition. The hardware and the interior we have called excellent. The hardware we've called excellent. You can see that it is beautiful and shiny. There is no scratching to it. It's just gorgeous. This plaque on the inside still even has the sealing on it, as well as these little studs here. They still have their plastic seal on them. So that is why I've called the hardware excellent. The interior, again, it's just the most minor signs of wear. So a little scratch here and a small little scratch there. So very small little marks on that flap closure. It's a completely leather interior. It just feels like pure luxury. It's gorgeous, and the rest of that interior is perfect. So that is why we've called that interior very good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Chanel authenticity card that has that date code that matches the one on the interior. Then we've got a Chanel dust bag, and we have the Chanel box as well. So it would make a beautiful gift for someone very special. If you would like more exact details on it, if you would like to find it on our website, the quickest way to do that is to go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you have fallen in love with it, and I wouldn't be surprised if you had, but you've missed out on it this time, let us know and we'll get you on the request list. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then the next time we have one in, you'll be one of the first to know. You can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". You can have it just with that top handle, which makes a really gorgeous little top handle bag. And then you can also pop it crossbody with that strap. And I think it's a nice alternative to the classic Chanel flaps and double flaps, because you still have that really lovely quilted lambskin leather, you still have that look of the flap as well, but you've got that nice top handle as well, which just adds a little bit something interesting to it, which I think makes it a nice alternative to the classic Chanel flaps. So it's a really gorgeous bag. Have a look at it on our website. Have a look at all of our other Chanel bags that we have at the minute as well. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter so that you can get your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We would love to see what we've got for us, so make sure you have a read through that page. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.